This is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that you have an active and working internet connection, then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app as well as set it up a little. In here, press on the blue continue button and customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.